Did you see the food, brown chicken? Huh? Didn't you see the food? Oh, you got some pretty feathers. Come here. Come here, brown chicken. We'll be friends. Ugh. Here, brown chicken. Come here, brown chicken. Here. Uh-oh, too late. Nugget's gonna get it. Here, Nuggie. Here, Nuggie. All right. Going over there, Nuggie. Let's go now. Here, Nuggie. You want it in your regular spot. There you go. Sorry, brown chicken. Maybe he'll share with you. Try it. See if he will. You gonna share? Huh? You gonna share? No time left. Ah, all right, kids. You'll be all right.